Hi, I'm Khaby. I'm the boss.
What if I told you a TikTok creator just closed a deal worth nearly $1 billion, and 99% of creators completely misunderstand how he did it? This isn't about going viral. This is about owning the machine behind the attention. Let me show you the real strategy behind Khaby Lame's $900 million move. Here's what the headlines don't explain clearly. Khaby Lame didn't just get paid for some brand deals. He sold a major stake in his company, Step Distinctive Limited, to a company called Rich Sparkle Holdings, in a transaction valued at over $900 million in stock. Rich Sparkle now controls exclusive rights to his brand for the next 36 months. But here's the key part most people miss. Khaby didn't exit. He didn't become an employee. He became a controlling shareholder in a scaled global brand machine. This wasn't an influencer deal. This was a corporate structuring deal. Khaby's real superpower isn't TikTok. It's universality. No language, no culture barrier, no translation needed. That means global distribution at zero friction. But here's where it gets serious. This deal turns attention into infrastructure. Instead of random sponsorships, one-off brand deals, trading time for posts, his brand is now a commercial engine. Merch, licensing IP usage, global content scaling, and AI digital twin technology creating content at scale. This is no longer content. This is media, tech, commerce. He didn't monetize views, he financialized attention. Most creators rent their audience. Khaby owns his. One-off sponsorships equals income. Ownership equals wealth. Khaby didn't ask, "How much will you pay me per post?" He asked, "How much is my brand worth as a company?" That's a completely different game. Why this changes everything financially? Let's say a top creator makes $10 million per year from brand deals. Over 10 years equals $100 million before taxes. When it ends, it ends. He didn't say, "Pay me to promote your brands." He said, "Let's build a global brand company around my IP and you buy into it." Influence disappears. IP compounds. Rich Sparkle didn't buy posts. They bought rights, characters, brand, distribution power, and likeness. When brands buy your IP, you stop being talent and start being infrastructure. Tech plus commerce turns views into assets. This is where the real money is. AI, digital twins, automated content, global scaling, 24/7 monetization engines. This means no burnout, no dependency on one man's time, infinite replication of brand output. This is McDonald's for attention. Khaby didn't win because he's funny. He won because he stopped playing the creator game and started playing the ownership game. Viral is nice. Valuable is permanent. He didn't build a following. He built a company that prints attention into money. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, or brand builder, your goal shouldn't be to go viral. Your goal should be to build something so valuable that companies don't want to sponsor you, they want to buy into you. Khaby just showed the blueprint. Now the question is, are you building views or are you building equity? Building views means chasing trends, algorithms, and virality, depending on platforms you are. A worker in the attention mines. But if you're building equity, you would create email lists, brands, IP, products, companies, creating something that makes money without you, has a valuation, and can be sold. You are an owner of infrastructure. Clout makes you visible, assets make you untouchable, and views will get you fame, but equity buys you freedom. This channel isn't about hype, it's about power, leverage, and ownership. If you weren't born rich, but you're building it, you were raised Ritzy. subscribe.